Okay, this is my silver cell as of, well, right now anyway. Oh, this cell started off, I put 600 grams, about 20 ounces in the baskets, and then a few days later I put another 600 grams in, so about another 20 ounces in here. This is what we're running it at. Almost a 1-to-1 ratio, depending on how I adjust the negative voltage, how I kind of do the wires here. Anyway, let's take a look at the that's how they grow. See how they grow? You get one that'll get a little bit bigger than another, and it'll grow straight to the anode baskets. And so then after it gets so big, I gotta knock it over. So you get a few crystals that'll grow really big and grow really thick, and then the rest of them slowly grow small and thick. And this is with a pH of about 4. If anybody's curious about the pH. And it seems to take a while for it to get to that pH naturally. Oh, I'm surprised it went straight to that. Because well, generally it just takes longer. It takes a while for the solution to completely neutralize, well, obviously. That little bit of silver nitrate drip out there. And that's why I have this top here, is because silver nitrate wicks out through this Darkon fabric, this polyester fabric, and gets all over in here. And you can see these are silver nitrate crystals. This is a sterling silver spoon I put in there. I just finished off a sterling silver spoon. I just found it's just as easy to use this sterling silver wire that I got, sterling silver jewelry wire that I got, and a long piece of sterling silver as the head for the anode basket, than putting it on a bar. And I mean, I have had it on a bar, and that's probably the best way to do it, but this is an easy way to do it too. The sterling silver will slowly get eaten, but it doesn't matter too much in the grand scheme of the box, because this silver shot is about 99% pure. I take sterling silver and I Cupell it in a little tabletop furnace that I have, and some Cupels, and it takes most of the impurities out. And I've actually XRF'd it several times while learning how to Cupell, just to make sure that I was doing it right. And it'll go anywhere from 98.5 to 99.7% pure. It just depends on the Cupell and how we do it, and how that specific cupellation process ran, and how pure the sterling silver was when I put it in. But taking it from 99% pure to at least 4 nines pure here. At least 4 nines pure. Now, if I started off with sterling silver in this bowl, I would have to change my silver nitrate out a lot, and probably either have to run the cell really, 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 really slow, or run it through multiple times, at least twice, to get this pure silver, maybe 3 times. And this is the slime that's left over in the anode basket after everything's done. That's mostly silver, but the gold and platinum get collected in there along with any other base metals. And I just take this and re-Cupel it into a silver button, and it's what's kind of cool is this actually collects over and over and over again, because I just keep re-Cupelling it, and it actually fills with gold. My slimes fill with gold, and eventually it gets to the point where it's actually just in corded gold with silver after I Cupel it. I've had that happen once so far, and yeah, but I just process it like I would normal gold. So that is my silver cell, and I turn this on because it vibrates the table, vibrates the silver cell, and settles all of my silver shot, resettles it, and lets, you know, everything kind of get a fresh perspective in there. So if you're doing a silver cell, it really, really honestly does help. See, my current went up after I turned that on. If I leave it on longer, it actually would go up a little bit more. But yeah, that vibration really helps. So if you could even put an electric sander on the table that you're using just for maybe 30 seconds, it vibrates the whole bowl very passively, and works. Anyway, that's my video. Have a great day. Oh, this was the first video that I have actually specifically made in order to post, so ever.